Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go over the question. The graph of the linear function f passes through the points a comma 1 and 1 comma b in the xy plane. If the slope of the graph f is 1, which of the following is true? Okay, the slope of the linear function f is given, that is 1. So usually we use the letter m to represent the slope. So here we have 2 points are given through which the graph of the linear function f passes through. So whenever we have 2 points through which a linear function passes through, we have to consider the first point as x1, y1, the second point as x2, y2. And also there is a formula to find the slope of a line or linear function which passes through the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. The formula is y2 negative y1 over x2 negative x1. Actually, this is a formula for slope of a linear function which passes through the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Instead of x1, y1, in our problem we have a, 1. For x1 we have a, for y1 we have 1. And for x2, y2 we have 1, b. That is for x2 we have 1, for y2 we have b. So now let's plug in the values for y2, y1, x2, x1. Okay, so for y2 we have b. So b negative. For y1 we have 1, and for x2 we have 1, and for x1 we have a equals to 1. Okay, now so to get rid of the denominator 1 negative a on the left side, we can multiply both sides by 1 negative a. So this 1 negative a will cancel out. I get b negative 1 equals to, so we can distribute this 1 to this one and this one. It will be 1 negative a, because 1 times 1 negative a is 1 negative a. Okay, now when I look at the given options, in each option we have both a and b on the left side, and we have the constant on the right side. So let's bring a and b on the left side of the equation and constant on the right side. So let me get this a to the left side. For that I have to add a to both sides. So this negative a positive will cancel out. So we can write this one as a positive b negative 1 equals to 1. So here we have a positive b negative 1 equals to 1. So we must have only a and b on the left side. So apart from a and b, we have negative 1. To get rid of this negative 1, I'm adding 1 to both sides. So this negative 1 positive 1 will cancel out. I get a positive b equals to 2. So the correct answer choice for this question is option D.